Hello, I'm Dr. McBoo. Welcome to the McBoo family. I hope you don't only enjoy this video but benefit from it as well. Please ensure that you watch this video till the end, 'cause I have a bonus killer joke waiting for you. Our main goal in this channel is to ensure all guys out there get theme girls, get their soulmate, and ensure they are always smiling. If you are shy or you think you are boring, AT McBoo is the right place to be. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button, then the notification bell. McBoo shall do the rest. I'm going to give you that first-time killer approach, coach you on how to make her melt from the hit of your confidence whenever you take her out on a date. To ensure that you keep that beautiful smile always glowing on her pretty face, ensure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Comment. Share this video. Finally, hit that notification bell. Without wasting any time, let's get to the video. The easiest way to approach a walking girl is to come from behind, heading to the same direction as hers. 1. Pass her a little bit, then look her in the eye and say, "Hi." Passing a bit will give you the opportunity to get a full glance of how she looks. Apart from the body structure you admired when looking her from behind, passing her a bit will help you decide if she's the kind of person you think you can fall in love with or not. If not, say hi and pass her. If yes, say hi with a smile and look her direct in her eye. While doing this, try to read her body movement and facial expression. 2. Don't be too close. Always make sure that you are about a meter away from her. Being too close can freak her out or make her feel uncomfortable. While opening the distance will help making her feel comfortable, it can also give her enough space to give a full look on your physical appearance, hence decide if you are her type or not. Remember, not every girl is you type, so don't expect to be every girl's type. Rejections will be there, but that doesn't mean you have to stop trying. 3. Be relaxed and have confidence on yourself. Girls doesn't want someone who is boring or too serious with conversations, so be relaxed and don't overthink what to say. As you don't know this girl, ask her general questions about herself. Avoid too personal questions, and remember, too much questioning will make the conversation feels like a job interview, and that will turn her off. Don't show that you are being intimidated by her even if you are. Don't be too begging. That will make her feel like she's doing you a favor by talking to you. Hence, she'll be bored and less interested in talking to you. Most guys worries because they think they are not funny enough for girls to find interesting. Trust me, everyone can be funny, and anything can be a joke. If you don't have jokes to tell, watch the previous video on the best jokes to tell to your girlfriend. There are plenty of such videos that are still to be uploaded in channel. Ensure you watch them all to be the most funny and interesting boyfriend your girlfriend ever had. Thank you for watching till this far. Hope you benefited something from this. Please let us know what you think of this video, and let us know what you would like us to talk about in the next video on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Watch episode 2 of How to Approach and Talk to a Girl to see how jokes can be perfectly used. It also contains detailed information on how to approach a walking girl. She might be walking alone or with some friends. Episode 2 will cover it all. Thank you for watching. Dr. McBoo signing out.